bloody money, get some bloody credits. IG, Man City, Oliver, check it.
There was actually a lot of submissions that we had to go through. If anyone was missed, please comment below which trailer you think was your top 3. And also make sure to check out all these awesome creators. There's a few trailers in here from creators that don't even have a creator code, so make sure you do check them out. As a fellow creator, we all spend countless hours on our own maps and creations. But then after we finish our maps, we have to think about how we're going to market it properly to our players. One of the things that we could do is make a high quality trailer. Making a trailer is no easy task. It's essentially a movie making exercise. You have to choose the proper music along with the proper edits, using the proper emotes to highlight what the map has to offer for the players. In this video, we'll be breaking down some of the trailers that we felt was most inspiring and how you could learn from how to properly present a trailer and to incorporate it into your future maps creations. Without further ado, let's go through it. So these are in no particular order. This one's brought to you by Expert56, and it's the Battle of Valhalla, which is I believe a Halo recreation. I love how the scene opens up and you're introduced to the characters, as well as you could see all the planes and how it's situated, and you really get the sense that you're going to war. And that's sort of how this whole scene is set up. I'll let you guys enjoy it.
I know your past, your future.
This is an awesome trailer by the Boy Dilly, who does actually an excellent job of creating a bit of tension, introducing you to the maps very, very slowly, also highlighting all the different POIs in the map. Trailers should ideally be about 30 seconds to 1 minute long. However, if there is some sort of a story, a narrative that drives the action, or there's a lot of things that you need to showcase on your map, generally you want to engage the audience, and that's usually the best time for it to happen. The hardest bit about editing any trailer is to always make it succinct, make it so it's super clear and there's no fluff or anything inside the map itself. It's very easy to complicate something. It's very, very hard to simplify. With our next map by Mike Edits, this Canopy gun swap FFA map is actually a perfect example of how a map can be super elegant. This next map, unfortunately, you won't be able to play because Reese Alvin does not have a supporter creator code. Make sure you guys do visit his channel. It is an excellent trailer that he made based off of a game called Super Hot. This trailer uses excellent sound design. It plays like you would if you were watching a John Wick movie. The edits is fast paced and it makes you want to watch a little bit more. Before we move on to the final video, I wanted to give a special honorable mention to a few other maps that didn't quite make the cut, including my own hospital murder mystery map that was put together by jerrywho, who's an excellent map trailer maker.
The life of this oil rig depends on your actions. The rules are simple. Defend our oil at all costs. If you so happen need to knock him off with a golf cart, you have the green light. Take whatever precautions you need. Just get out there and bring him hell.
I'm in my element, this is adrenaline mixed in my melanin. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so genuine, I ain't embellishing. I want another when I am the evidence, we can do better than this. You try to lie, my city know the truth, and you won't make it out.
Is this on? Oh. I am Dr. Eliza Jones, head doctor assigned to Peely Asylum. We don't know how many days our colleagues and patients have been trapped in this hospital for. Hence why I am keeping a journal of current experiences. Despite the power failures, we had managed to fix up some of the generators. We have found medical supplies to survive a little longer, but I suspect there is someone trying to sabotage our survival efforts. We are losing more and more people every day, but we have managed to keep ourselves safe. For now. Hello? Who's there? Oh, it's you?
Our last video is brought to you by Spazzy64 in Tales of the Explorer. It explores the story of Jack and his father. Essentially, Spazzy did such a great job on the voice acting bit, he should definitely get hired as a voice actor, where it explains the story of and how Jack has to survive in this open world while explaining to his father how he's doing.
Quest log, Tuesday, January 22nd, 1967. Hey Dad, I wish you could see what I'm seeing right now. It's a beautiful morning, and the air is breezy. Currently I've landed myself in a strange land. On the map it's shown as Archibus. The townfolk here are really nice, but I can't speak for everybody. I've been cooking up some recipes like you've taught me. It's going well. I've even found some gnomes along the way. And the discoveries they've made are just fascinating. Oh, don't worry, Pops. I've been practicing my aim like you taught me. I mean, every day it feels like I'm finding ways to quote-unquote level up. I'm really hoping I can retrieve the sacred artifact in one piece. These dungeons aren't very friendly, but I'll try to problem solve like how you would. Anyway, I hope you're doing okay, wherever you are. Just know, I'll be on my way. Love, Jack.
Do you agree with my picks? Comment below. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure you check out these videos here.